Hi, Andy Herringshaw with Tractor Innovations. Today I'm here to show you the installation of a remote hydraulic kit on this Mahindra Max26XL tractor. This kit is the absolute easiest and most affordable way to get remotes on your tractor. It comes complete with all the hoses, fittings, hardware, everything you need to get a set of remotes on your tractor. Today we're going to be setting this up as a rear remote, but you can also install this for a front remote to power a grapple or other implement on the front of the tractor. All you need is a few simple tools. On this tractor, we've got this nice flat shield on top of the loader valve that we're going to mount to. So you will need a drill to drill in there, but it is just a few simple steps. Stay tuned. Take a minute, check out my website. The link is tractorinnovations.com. Please like and subscribe this video to help other people improve their tractors as well. Today we're working on a Mahindra, but I build these kits for any make and model of tractor out there. You can check out other videos. I have lots installing on different makes and models of tractors. So yeah, knob in, your loader will work totally normally. Click, raise it all the way up, jump it back and forth, that'll get air moving out of it. Well, there you have it, the easiest and most affordable way to get remote hydraulics on your tractor. Today on a Mahindra 26XL, but I build these for all makes and models of tractor, Kubota, New Holland, John Deere, all of them out there. And we can find a way to mount it and get easy remotes for your tractor. Today we had this done in about 30 minutes, and you can do it on your tractor as well. Check out my website below, my phone number is there as well. Subscribe to my channel and share it with a friend. Have a great day. So now let me show you how this kit works. When I've got the knob in on the switching valve, the loader works completely as usual. I've got the dump function and the raise and lower function. When I pull this knob out, I trade one of my loader functions for the remote. So I've still got the dump function, and if I push forward and back like I were lifting the loader, it's going to control the hydraulic top link. In this case, it doesn't move because this hydraulic top link has a drift control. It's only going to move when it's got pressure. So let me fire up the tractor and show you what I mean. With the knob in, my loader works completely as usual. When I want to use the box plate and adjust that hydraulic top link, I'll set the loader up out of the way, pull the knob, and now forward and back controls the box blade attached to the hydraulic top line. And I've still got the dump